guys. Hot.
Sexy.
Dirty Laundry, in the true spirit of Briefs, is circus, drag, burlesque comedy. It's irreverent Australian humour. It's punk, political, street business. We have just the most ridiculous time trying to make the most ridiculous world for people to come and celebrate.
The acrobats, the performance, the comedy.
The circus, the skill, the burlesque.
This is an absolute education about queerness.
I think it's really important for a brief show to always say something and say something honestly.
I've got some bush poetry. And when I say bush poetry, I actually mean it's an excerpt from a Mills and Boons novel, okay? Oh my God, she cried out. Logan, a shudder racked Georgia's body.
Very, very good.
5 out of 5. Incredible.
Hotness, hotness, hotness.
It's never enough.
Yeah! Every artist in this show has come to the table with this amazing, cool concept, and it's completely owned by them. And I guess the structure that it sits under is Briefs Factory, but Briefs Factory is about elevating the individual.